Alright guys, so we got the YZ, or the Yeezy, because it's just revving out in every gear instantly. It wasn't going anywhere, it was just staying, it was like going real slow. So I think the problem is that the clutch plates were sticking wrong, and so I'm going to my buddy's house right now. It's FullThrottle's house, and we're going to open up the clutch right here and see what exactly is going on, because I think just the clutch is just sticking, so it's not grabbing, so it's just making it wind out. Shifts through all the gears, so that should be the problem. If not, then kind of screwed. But yeah, I'll get back to you.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
A little update. I put Frick. You good?
Oh my god.
What? Frick.
Bro, I wrecked so hard.
You're good, bro. Hang on.
Dude, my whole back breaks down.
Set my bike down. Dude, you good? Oh my god, bro. Here, check your body. Oh, bro, this is bad. You good?
Yeah.
I looked back, dude, you were just on the
Dude,
ground.
my thumb hurts so bad. I feel like that. I'm good.
Alright. I gotta get my bike up because I don't want it Are you good, bro? Before
Yeah,
I pick
I'm
up my
good.
bike. Think you can ride it back? Dude, I freaking looked back and you were on the ground. Dust everywhere. Oh my god, bro. Dirt bikes are freaking dangerous. Frick. Moto Madness, here we come.
I wish
Just kidding,
you
that's
were behind me.
I know,
got a
dude.
Moto Madness, but my bike freaking flipped.
I was too far away because I left you in the dust.
I went like this, and my bike went. Shoom.
Yeah. All right, guys, we'll catch you back later. Oh my God.
My thumb's so messed up.
Guys, please like and subscribe.